Assalamu alaikum. My name is G Moinuddin. I'm from Chennai. I'm a senior person, an electronics and communication engineer with an MBA and MSc in psychology. I have traveled throughout the world and I was in Middle East for 17 years. And I was associated with engineering education for more than 7 years. Now I'm a retired person and trying to do something for my community and all the young generation, irrespective of caste, creed or religion in my area. When I learned about Discover Yourself workshop, I was very much interested to attend this program. I met Janab Sadatullah Khan Sahib in Chennai and requested him to include me in this training program. As I used to deal with students, both engineering level and secondary school level and primary school level, I thought that this program will help me in getting connected to the people. And above all, the very basics of this program being the Discover Yourself, I myself wanted to go and see in depth what I stand for. I happened to see a couple of CDs by Sadatullah Khan Sahib, and I felt that if I attend this program, I'll be able to understand me better first, because all along I have been living as a achiever throughout my life. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of God, I have achieved a lot. Wherever I went, I have been an achiever. I have been awarded by the then President of India in 1978 for an innovation when I was in railways. And this, I was living in a world of self-acquisition. I mean, always in a power and thinking others are not a match to me or I can prove anybody wrong. With that concept I was living, and I was actually the same concept I had given to my children also, who have become good engineers. I have 3 sons who have all become IT engineers and a daughter who has become a dentist. So I was living as if I have achieved everything in my life and wanted to give back to the society. I have started a concern with the name of the Guidance Point so that I can guide the younger generation to pursue their studies. When I came over here, believe me, on the first day itself, I felt so happy that though I was living a life, but I was not living the life what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants me or for what I have been created. I was living in my own world. This workshop has given me the information and made me, analyze myself, look inside me, and what I am, who am I? And all along I had taken my whole family for granted that they are for me. Everybody is for me. My wife is for me, my children are for me. Now, again and again, over the period of 6 days, Janab Sadatullah Sahib has proved that to be a good person, you have to have integrity, you have to be a responsible person, you have to be accountable for whatever you do, and you should work to bring a change in the humanity. Alhamdulillah, these 6 days has helped me a lot to understand this thing, and I am ready, first of all, to bring the change in me. Rather, I have already taken up a decision or commitment that I will change myself. I will be the person who will have the integrity, accountability, responsibility, love for the people, and make the change in the other people's lives, starting from my family and my children. And I am thankful to Janab Sadatullah Saab for arranging such a beautiful workshop. I can only pray that may Allah give all His blessings upon him so that this program, which is needed by each and every person in this world and in this context, at this position, it may spread to all the human beings. And once all the human beings follow this concept of living, the whole world will be a peaceful place to live. And we can go back living a better place for our children. Thank you very much.